Hello guys, and we're back again here in Melbourne Tullamarine Airport, and here with us is Ma'am Brenda coming from the city of Cebu in Philippines. So Ma'am, kamusta naman ang flight natin, Ma'am?
Okay lang naman, sir.
Okay lang daw guys. So,
Wala namang problema.
okay, that's great to hear. So, pwede ba mag-ask Ma'am if what course are you taking in which school?
Certificate 3, virtual education,
Early childhood, okay.
and diploma
And diploma. Okay, so from which school, Ma'am?
from Aklan.
From Macbeth. Okay guys, so we have another enrolled student in Macbeth who's taking an early childhood course. So if ever guys know you also like to take an early childhood in Macbeth, same as Ma'am Brenda here, please feel free to contact us, BM Consultancy and Visa Services Australia, and we would gladly help you on your student visa processes. And not only from Macbeth, actually we also have other schools here, and yeah, you can just hit us up and message which course you like and what school that you would want to study here in Australia. So yeah, and before we leave guys, we also have special incentives here from VM Consultancy. So this is our one part of our help system to all arriving students here in Australia. We would give our free grow pack. So ito siya guys, it has rice, bread, and some other foods here, including the SIM card and the Mikey as well. So ma'am, please
Thank you, sir.
receive our grocery pack. And hopefully that will be able to help you kahit konti lang sa inyong
It's a big help.
sa inyong journey here, and yeah, until you find a stable income. So yeah, but not only stable income guys, also go to your classes and do not break any visa conditions. Always refer to your visa conditions. And yeah, thank you so much, and hatid muna namin si Ma'am Ganda sa kanyang accommodation. Goodbye.
Thank you.